Today I'm sharing 5 easy tips to get a cozy, organized home this season. Tip number 1, declutter the small spaces first. Whenever you declutter the small spaces first, not only do you have more areas to put the things that you actually need, but you don't burn out with overwhelm and you feel a great sense of accomplishment because you knocked it out and it is done and you can check it off your to-do list. When you start with things such as countertops, entryway tables, and bedside tables, it's a huge accomplishment and they instantly make the home feel and look way more neat. They take up such a large space in our area. When we get these spaces decluttered, it makes the whole entire home feel more spacious and organized because these are one of the very first places we see either when we enter the home or when we first open our eyes. Next, be sure to use scents and textures for super cozy vibes. Whether you add a scented candle or a fuzzy blanket or pillow, it is super critical to get that cozy vibe in your home. Be sure not to spend a lot of money for this, as you can find any of these things anywhere from Walmart to thrift stores to anywhere in between. But any kind of things like this can give the home a cozy and luxurious feel. This candle is super duper awesome and smells so good and was really affordable. I'll put the link down below if you're interested. But anything that you already have in your home, be sure to use that first because we don't want to spend any unnecessary money, and we don't need to make our home feel super duper cozy. Essential oils can also be a great way to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. I use this essential oil diffuser because it was super affordable, but feel free to use whatever you have, including a pot simmering in the stove. The next thing you might want to do to get your home cozy this season is create a daily tidy routine. When we tidy up our home in small chunks throughout the day, not only does the home consistently look more tidy all throughout the day, it is way less overwhelming to work for 5 minutes at a time versus like 30 or 40 minutes at a time. I do this home tidy ups 3 times a day, 5 minutes a day, and we get pretty far in our home. And my small children even help me. We get the home tidied up so super duper fast, and it creates a blank slate for the next point in our day. I do these tidy ups in the morning, afternoon, and also evening, and it keeps the home looking tidy all day long. Not to mention, clutter can also cause a lot of stress. So keeping our homes maintained and clutter-free and tidied up in these short bursts of time not only can cause us a more peaceful feeling, but can also create for a super cozy vibe because we are less stressed and overwhelmed and our home looks super tidy and neat. The next way to get your home looking cozy all season long is decorations. I went from a maximalist to a super duper minimalist. So there was a long time in my home where I didn't have any decorations at all. But now I'm like somewhere in between. I keep a little bit of decorations, but I do have to admit and appreciate how beautiful they make my home look and feel. I'm not telling you to decorate all areas of your home. I'm still a minimalist at heart. However, I am saying put a couple of special touches in the areas where you frequent the most in your home. It gives such an inviting and cozy feel and even personalizes your home. My old home I felt was looking a little bit stale, but now my home feels a lot more cozy, and all I did was just add a few touches of meaningful decoration, mostly DIY, and I felt like that has helped a super lot. The ones that are not DIY, I bought it on Amazon, so I'll link those down below, but you can just go to the Dollar Tree like I did and make your own personal home decor. Not only there will be none like it in the whole entire world, but it will make your home look so beautiful at an affordable price. And if you are a little bit more of a maximalist, you can also feel free to decorate seasonally to give your home a fresh feel. But honestly, for us minimalist girlies, we can do this too by switching the decor around from room to room, giving the room a fresh feel without having to purchase new things the whole entire year. If you do want to decorate seasonally though, I do recommend just having a few items that you keep tucked away for specific seasons and just rotate them accordingly. No need to buy new ones every single year. To keep your home looking cozy, I also recommend having a reset day. Choose a day a week where you just tidy up your home from top to bottom. Now, this is not going to take the whole entire day. Just choose a specific day throughout the week where you get your home looking back to its reset mode. This will take a lot less shorter time if you do those intentional short tidy ups throughout the day, but I do not recommend more than an hour maximum and super pushing it 2 hours at this point. Have your children help if you have any. Just get the home looking back to its most presentable state. Everything will look super tidy and neat, and it would just feel so much more cozy the whole entire season. And if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.